I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody. Amongst all the stuff in the back of this Jeep, there's two more computers that are getting the Ryzen 3 2200G platform upgrade. I think these might be the last two, or so the client says, but that might change that might change down the road, who knows. Got this compact machine here, and over there, an upgraded E-machines. Both actually have almost the exact same motherboard. The E-machines motherboard that was originally in here was an older one that I upgraded with one that's just like this HP motherboard that's in there. Both these machines kind of need a cleaning, so I'm going to get them cleaned out because, you know, there's nothing like having to work inside of a filthy computer. Okay, this time the yard isn't a complete mess. So we'll do the E-machine system first. Yeah, the compressor's already charged up, but we know that won't last long once I start actually cleaning these things out. So this one isn't as bad as I thought, but there is some dust in there that needs to be removed. So, anyways, let's go ahead and do this one. You may notice the motherboard looks like an HP OEM board. Well, it is. It's exactly like the one that's in this other machine we're going to clean out next. So anyways, here we go. Trying to get in the way of my camera. Alright, move on to the second one. So this one isn't terribly bad, but we're going to get it too. So Okay guys, that concludes it for this one. Yeah, this motherboard here has some failed capacitors on it. Quite a few of them are bulging. Yeah, this one actually used the Chemicon KZGs on, I think. The Nippon Chemicons. Normally that's a decent capacitor brand, but they did have some bad series back in the mid-2000s. Yeah, the E-Machines board I think had Rubicons instead of Chemicons, and I think all those were fine. So if I plan to reuse this board for anything, I'd have to recap it. Pretty much all these caps have to be replaced. So, anyways, I think that wraps it up for this one. I think I already mentioned that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.